What's up guys? Welcome to my another video. It's Dipan from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. #1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Do you want to own your industry with high quality customizable membership websites? Then you'll love Brilliant Directories. Today, we're talking about Brilliant Directories, a directory software that helps you design and manage membership websites all on one powerful platform. Brilliant Directories gets your membership website up and running quickly by doing all the heavy lifting. It's a fully hosted solution, so all you need to do is connect your domain, choose a payment gateway, and start adding your own personal touches. You'll be able to configure different membership tiers, each with its own pricing, features, and access privileges. The platform works overtime to help maximize your revenue with automated recurring payments and past due notifications. Your members and website visitors are always hungry for more content. That's why Brilliant Directories lets you publish, protect, and even allow members to contribute user-generated content to your site. Publish blog posts, discussions, events, coupons, photo albums, classifieds, and more, with the ability to choose which members can access certain posts. You'll be able to save time by repurposing any post type to suit your website's needs, like changing blog posts to other types of content or cloning and updating events. With Brilliant Directories, paid membership plans are just the tip of the iceberg for revenue opportunities. To boost paid signups, you can enable free trial periods, offer discounted promo codes, or even import business listings, allowing visitors to claim profiles with a paid membership plan. Protect your premium content by requiring visitors to register for paid plans in order to gain access to it. You can also create additional paywalls and generate more revenue by selling leads, digital products, services, ad placements, and more. Use the customizable directory themes to build a business, hobby, professional, or city directory. Site visitors will be able to find, get matched with, and contact your professional members for services. You can monetize your business directory site by setting prices for leads and selling them to the businesses registered in your directory. Instead of taking time away from your busy schedule to make changes or updates, members can manage their own profiles with Brilliant Directories. You don't want to miss out on any of our killer deals. Alright, let's get started. This is what a typical Brilliant Directory site looks like. I can choose from over 20 different modules to highlight on my homepage, such as featured members, recent articles, CTAs to sign up for newsletters, and more. All of the modules on the homepage have their own customizable settings available in the admin section. Every Brilliant Directory site is super easy to customize with settings for fonts, colors, and content that can be updated with just a few clicks. Any changes are automatically applied across the whole site, and there's no coding required. Let's dig into the admin section. The quick links makes it easy for me to navigate to the most popular website management actions, like adding new members, managing my media, etc. There are dozens of settings for privileges and restrictions, and you can make edits with just a click. After you connect your preferred payment gateway, you can start collecting payments from your members, and Brilliant Directories will never take a percentage of your sales. Plus, when you create a new membership plan, the Sign the page is automatically created, so all you need to do is give it a name and set up the pricing and privileges. Brilliant Directories makes setting up, managing, and monetizing your membership site a breeze so you can focus on the members that make it. Get lifetime access to Brilliant Directories today.